Hey guys, I'm Ben and this is Pete. We're from the Shake Up and we're here with another cracker from our 10-minute workout series. These workouts are designed to be short, concise and require minimum equipment. We guarantee if you hit these workouts with the right intensity, you will generate the right hormonal activity for fat loss, building muscle and boosting your energy levels right throughout the day. It's important that you warm up appropriately for these workouts. Like any intense training, it's smart to move adequately before you hook in. In saying that, Pete's been warming up for a bit. If you haven't guessed already, today's workout is the beep test. All you need for this workout is 20 meters of space, a little bit of courage, and the beep test app. You can get the beep test app streaming on Spotify or Apple or Android. Find any version and just use it. It's not a big deal. It's a pretty simple workout. You're effectively just running back and forth with the cadence of the recording. It gets progressively faster and you're expected to make the line on every attempt. You can sort of miss on one and that's it. And when you fail to arrive at the line, that's your score. So right here it's
level 7-4.
7-4. So you'll get a score with this workout. The beauty of this workout is it is short. Even if it's for those of the fitter crew amongst us, it might be 13-14 minutes max. Okay, so the beep test, it's a cracking workout. Like all these workouts, we'd love to know your score. So post your results in the forum below if you're seeing this on Facebook or YouTube. Let us know what you've achieved. Again, like all these workouts, they're designed to be hit with intensity, so give them everything you've got. Go hard, enjoy the workout, and always remember, life's better when you shake.